Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a DIY, and I don't know if you can notice, but I'm sitting on a mat on the floor. Yeah, because we're going to get busy over here. I'm going to show you how to make a bonnet and a scarf from an old nighty that you're not wearing anymore. The material for the nighty is silk, so it's it's appropriate for bonnets. We don't want something that's going to suck out all the moisture from our heads. So yeah, let's get right into it.
Okay guys, so small scissors to cut my thread, big scissors for my main dish, my thread, my needles, my office pins, those pins, and I'll be using those later. So that's the nighty. Looks nice, right? Let's get to work. So we're going to cut that part off since we'll be using it later. We need a part for our scarf, so that's what we are cutting now. We'll cut that and put that aside for later use. So now let's use the office pins to pin those parts or sides down, because we want everything to be on point, right? We don't need that extra part, so we're cutting off. How many of you find it difficult threading? I really want to know. Please comment down below. Send to the comment section below. Let me know what's up. Do you find my stitching weird, or like, I don't know, that was easier for me to do? What do you think about my stitching? So we're done with that pull of thread, so you can't pull no more because we want that part tight. And we get this. Again, using the office pins, we are pinning those parts down or together. And guys, I'm no professional, so you may be hearing some terms wrongly. If you know the right terms, let me know in the comment section. Kindly correct me. I would love to know. Yeah, so just a space where we can pass our strap into that space. This is just to help us pass our strap through the space easily and smoothly. Now that is just to make sure that when we do this, the strap doesn't go back inside, like all the way back. So that is what those are for. Prevent the strap from vanishing inside. So the straps make it adjustable. We're done. So you see, you can use a strap to adjust the tightness. So let's move on to the scarf or the hairband or anyhow you want to call it. I was checking to get the right length for my head. Had to cut some off. Another check-in and it was perfect. So again with our office pins, we are holding those parts down just to get perfect something. How long do you think it took me to make the bonnet? I want to know how long you think it took me. Please let me know in the comment section. It's time to close it up. We're almost done with our scarf tie. So we want a neat end. So we just fold it in and then sew that part together. Then do both, guys. And we're done. It looks nice, right? I know.
So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let me know which one you like best and which one you like to try, this or this. Okay, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And if there's anything else you'd like me to do about natural hair, media, or anything you want me to try, let me know in the comment section down below. But don't forget to subscribe. I love you all.